Sabi ni House spokesperson Princess Abante, let's not sugarcoat it. The Senate killed the 200 peso wage hike bill. Last night was the final session of the 19th Congress. No bycam, no compromise, no wage hike. So dahil daw po sa ginawa ng Senado, wala tuloy dagdag pasahod sa mga kababayan natin.
Una-una, yung spokesperson ng House, si, ano ba pangalan mo? Princess Abante,
Yes.
she should do a lot of research first before opening her mouth. Una-una, sinabi niya the Senate killed the wage hike, the legislated wage hike bill. That is not true. We passed the legislated wage hike in the amount of 100 pesos last February 19 of 2024. It took them a year, all right, to pass their own version of 200 pesos wage hike. At gusto nila mag-BICAM 2 days before adjourning CNDA. How can we do that? I was busy presiding with my own commission on appointments sa CA. Senator Joel Villanueva, who is the chairman, who is the current chairman of Committee on Labor, is also busy. Was also busy presiding on his own commission on appointments committee. So how can we do that? So lumapit sa akin si Congressman Raymond Mendoza, yung party list ng TUCP, begging if uh, if we can constitute the BICAM. Sabi ko, ang sinabi ko kay Congressman Mendoza, you just adopt the Senate version para wala nang problema. Okay? Very clear yon. Tinext ko pa sa kanya. Ang sabi niya, bakit hindi nila mag paper BICAM? Sabi ko, hindi ako papayag. I-adapt nyo na lang yung Senate version para mas madali. They had one more session before one more day before adjourning CNDA. But they did not do anything about it. So tapos sasabihin nung spokesperson ng House of Representatives that we killed the legislated wage hike. That is not true. Sinungaling yan. Tsaka kabago-bago lang yan eh. Hindi nagre-research yan.